This is incredible. I'm getting it.
You getting what?
A stock.
What stock?
Shade's Crazy Cash!
Yes. It is happening. We are day trading options live. I have the 3-minute time frame on the right hand side, and we are waiting for the signal here. We're waiting for that white line to cross under the yellow line. That is our signal to go long and buy calls. Once we load up on these calls, we will be moving up our stop loss to the bottom of the candle, then keep moving it up to the next bottom of the next candle. I will demonstrate this strategy here live so you guys can see what I mean. So we are waiting here. We got a nice big drop. We finally got direction. As you can see on the left hand side, I have the 10-minute time frame open, and we were just going choppy. So I just didn't bother to trade anything, and now we're getting some direction, at least on the 10-minute time frame. And here we go. I just entered a trade. We are in, and I am setting the stop loss at the low. Let me zoom in on these tiny 30-second time frame candles. It's a 30-second time frame. MACD crossover is our signal, and we're gonna ride this baby up. Our stop loss is going to be exactly where the cursor is right now. And yeah, there's two cursors. Wow, that is very interesting. Double cursor bonanza right there. Yeah. So I'm moving it down. There you go. That is exactly where the stop loss is, at the low of that green candle. If this next candle prints green, then we will move it up to the next low of that candle. There you go. I'm showing you, demonstrating with the cursor, the next low of the candle. That is where we moved up our stop. We are not playing for free just yet. This has to close on another green candle here before my battery runs out. Has to close on another green candle. I'm moving my stop loss now to the next green candle low, and we are playing for free now. So if we get stopped out, we lose very little, like maybe a few bucks, or maybe we get out with a few bucks profit. So here we are, low of the candle and stopped out, executing my order. Bam, in and out real quick with a profit of, looks like I made 14 bucks. So there you go, you're in and out real quick with $14 that we usually go for in the money calls. Slightly in the money is better because it's more volatile. So any little move up, you're gonna make way more than if you were to buy out of the money or at the money, especially because we're trading such a low time frame. So yeah, we got stopped out. We take the profit or the tiny loss and we move on. The risk reward is 1 for 1 in general. So either you make 10 bucks or lose 10 bucks. You're generally aiming for 10 to 20 bucks, and you just keep moving up the stop as long as green candles keep printing. You make your money at some point if it moves in your favor. If it comes back down immediately after entry and stops you out, that's cool. Take the full $10 loss and move on. You're gonna, it's the cost of doing business, no big deal. You will have to get practice with this. It's easy for me to execute. You have to be very disciplined. You will not have time to set a stop loss. I'm not actually punching in a stop loss order. I'm just manually stopping myself out, which requires discipline. So you better be on top of your game with this one. That is it for this video. That is the strategy. Demonstrated it for you, and hope you test it out and have fun with it.